So in terms of 2020, very specifically, we really don't know. What we do know is that while global trade and even Brexit may be what's most top of mind for the investment community today, that's always changing. And so what we're fairly confident about is that the problems that everyone's talking about today, they could continue to exist, but we might be talking about a whole new host of other ones. It wasn't long ago that as a global equity team, we were having conversations about what was taking place between the US and North Korea and some of the back and forth and threatening comments that were made, as well as the low growth that's been ebbing and flowing really for most of the last decade in Europe. There was a period of time not too many years ago when the Soviet Union rolled through into Crimea. So it's our experience as global equity investors that these types of, we call them rolling blackouts, these scary moments in time from one region of the world to another or one sector of the global economy to another, they come and go. And what we continue to be focused on is our disciplined and repeatable process of executing and identifying businesses that have these three alpha drivers of quality, intrinsic value growth, and valuation, and then using those to build a select portfolio of best ideas and execute against two inefficiencies we see in the marketplace, a mispricing inefficiency and the duration effect. Well, our view is, we're very focused on what we believe philosophically and in terms of an investment process as an investment team. And we don't spend a lot of time at all thinking about or worrying about what the rest of the investment community and world is doing. There are some other strategies in the world that believe they have an expertise in making those types of larger geopolitical macro forecasts on all of these events that we're talking about. Our core competency is that bottom-up fundamental research that I talked about earlier, and that's where we're staying laser focused on.